Hello, I'm back, sitting by my water fountain, listening to my beautiful birds singing to me in the background. I just wish I could share this beauty with everybody. My Creator has given me so much joy in His creation. Oh, look, I've been out gardening. My hair's a mess. I just wanted to tell you how wonderful life can be if you acknowledge Yahushua and give Him all praise and glory. You have a nice day, and I will be back with more words of encouragement. And before we go, I just want you to see some of my lovely garden. Well, it looks like fences right here, but the fences are just to be able to prop things up. There's my water fountain. Oh, wait a minute. I can't seem to get my water fountain on view for you. Well, this is backfiring. There it is. I figured it out. I'm leaning over the fence, standing up, looking upside down. Isn't that wonderful?